Okay, let's see if this pullback NQ can hold previous all-time highs. Yesterday's highs on ES is a level to watch, and then previous all-time highs. The market needs a little pullback. Like, this is insane. This move is insane. And look how choppy it was. I just hope we don't have the price action that we had here. Remember how ugly it was to trade here? Like, we make new all-time highs and then pull back and then start to be very, very choppy and very fakey at all-time highs. I just hope we don't have like a couple of weeks like that. I do think we need a pullback. I will definitely feel more comfortable if we get a pullback. I like this break here. I would like to see something like this reaction here. Let's see what's the next big level that I have here on NQ. It's this. Okay, looks like we might get that bounce that I want to see. Bounce and reaction here. The market still looks a little bit weak. NQ looks like it wants to, yet it's having a little bit more trouble. I think NQ looks a little bit stronger than ES. Okay, what a candle here. Let's see if we're gonna react here or we're gonna go a little bit higher. I'm gonna start buying some here. So far it's looking like a good plan. I took it with ES because, like I said before, I think ES looks a little bit weaker than NQ. Beautiful. I'm gonna take some profits here because why not? Just in case the market decides to hold these lows. I'm gonna look a little bit more here. We can see how we're fighting here. Okay, so I locked some profits. I moved my stop loss a little bit under my entry in case we have like a huge spike here. QQQ is holding the view up. I don't like that. You know what? I'm taking my profits. I'm out. I'm out of here. I'm done. I really like these for more downside, but I don't like how we're holding here. We are getting good war news, so these can definitely mess up the downside that I'm looking for. Yeah, little good play here. Really nice reading of the market. I made these are 5 TradeOfI accounts. I also took this trade with Apex, 20 accounts here. Pretty much the same trade, but I took it with NQ. So yeah, very nice day for me.